What's up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to be doing a sketchbook tour and showing a lot of the pictures that I've done over the current, I guess, the last few years. This one was the first one I did, which was a Ninja Turtle over top of a bunch of foot soldiers. I think I did a few thumbnails of these before I went with this one. This one I did the character from the Fist of the North Star, the little apocalyptic background. This one decided to draw Batman inside of I guess in a prison or capturing one of the inmates. This one I drew Bullseye. This one I just wanted to create a random piece, just some guy in space sitting on top of a cliff, a bunch of spaceships and enemy ships in the background. This one I was starting to work on this, but then eventually just scrapped the idea, so that's why there's nothing going on in this one. This one is a bunch of practice. I guess I practiced a bunch of heads, different angles. Same thing with this one. This one also, different angles of the heads, using the circle shapes, and then the line going across, and then where the eyes and the nose will be. And this one is me practicing a bunch of poses, different angles. Same thing with this one. Practicing head tilts again, and also overlaying shadows in certain areas. This one I decided to draw the Joker, give him a kind of a creepy look. This one decided to draw Captain Marvel, looking back at something. This one I decided to draw X-23, placed her in kind of like a old gas station in the country, and I put the shadows for the soldiers or people that's coming after her. Just a random sketch, playing around perspective in the background with a grid and head tilt. This one I decided to draw Deadpool. Also, I guess I could have turned them around this way because the swords were off the page, but I just left it alone. Made kind of a silhouette of the buildings in the background. This one I decided to draw Ronin. For this piece I decided to draw Omega Red. I grew up with X-Men from the 90s, so that's the Omega Red that I wanted to draw for this one. It's a classic look. And this one I drew Hellboy. I actually didn't finish him. Finish shading the other side of him. This one I just drew just a random soldier girl. For this one I was trying to draw, or was drawing, Black Lightning. Didn't really finish this piece. This one I was just drawing a random pose. This one I drew, I think this is right after I saw the Brightburn trailer. So I figured I'm gonna draw Superman on the bottom, getting beat up by the little character from the movie. This one I drew Maximilian Pegasus from the show Yu-Gi-Oh! I tried to give him kind of a realistic look. Just playing around, drawing a random guy skateboarding. This one I drew Aquaman. One Punch Man. Didn't finish it. Another character from Aquaman. The Random Soldier. One Punch Man again. This one I was drawing Raphael from Ninja Turtles. Didn't really finish it. I actually might go back into this one, finish his legs, and also add a New York City backdrop. This one was a random scene. A samurai girl fighting a ninja. Wonder Woman. Miles Morales, Spider-Man. Punisher. I drew him, I guess, rescuing a little girl. Just a random drawing of a skateboarder. A warm-up piece, drawing a pose. This was actually in one of my previous videos, drawing Light from Death Note. Practicing drawing another random pose. Another random pose. And that's it. Because most of these pictures are on my Instagram. And I think some of these are, well, yeah, most of these are. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and share. I think I might do one more video with another sketchbook. All right, take care.